Okay. Hello class 3. So let us do the back exercises of chapter number 2. So here read these words aloud. Sturdy, absorbed, basking, trumpet, poachers. In my previous video, I have explained you the meanings of these words here also. So children, come to the A part. What does Munu learn to play? What does he learn to play? He learns to play the pipe. Word quiz. Please save her immediately anyhow. Here immediately means without delay. बिना देर किए अभी के अभी चलो. Next. What does Munu find in the jungle? What does he find? He finds a hollow piece of bamboo. Munu's father makes a dash out of the bamboo piece. What does he make? He makes pipe. How does the jungle change as Munu plays the pipe? It gets filled with flowers. The dash doesn't enjoy the music of the pipe. Who doesn't enjoy? Rhino. Yes. Now fill in the blanks. The two cubs start rolling over one another on listening to the music of the pipe. The rhino has wet eyes because she is afraid of poachers. उसको डर लग रहा था कि poachers आ जाएंगे उसको मार करके they will take her horns. The rhino is trapped in a ditch. The rhino's baby is standing close to her. Now reference to context. We must help animals when they are in trouble. Who said these words? Munu's father said these words. Who is the listener? Munu is the listener. In what context does the speaker say so? The speaker says so about the rhino. Rhino के बारे में बोल रहा है. What happened next? Munu goes to the forest to see the rhino. Now, what's question, children? Why is it wrong to kill animals? It is wrong to kill animals because they are our friends. Now, come to the next page. Come to articles, page number 23. Complete this paragraph using a, an or the. Children, I have already explained to you the articles we have already done in the grammar book. And if you want to understand, you can again go to the link and open it and learn it. Once a boy was resting under a tree, because T is a consonant, so we'll write a dash sun. For the heavenly bodies, we write the sun was shining brightly. He was listening to his sister reading a story. S is the consonant sound. Dash story. Now we come to know about the story, so we are writing the for the story. The story was very interesting. Suddenly, the boy saw an ant walking past him. Why an? Because A is the vowel. Ant is beginning with the vowel and it is sounding also vowel. There was something strange about the ant, because we know about the ant now in the previous line. It could talk. The talking ant, wondered the boy, because this is a title we are giving to the talking ant. So we'll write the talking ant. Now again fill in the blanks with a, an or the. I have dash pet dog. A pet dog. Can you give me an eraser? Rashmi bought a dress. The dress was very pretty. The stars twinkle at night. I had a banana in the morning. I saw an elephant at the zoo. I'm not explaining because I have already explained in my previous video. Now adjectives. Children, underline the adjectives and circle the nouns they describe in the following sentences. For understanding the adjectives, again you need to go to the link which I have already shared. I have explained the adjectives earlier, and you can, for learning adjectives, you can go to that link. This house is grand. Here grand is the adjective and this adjective is for house. There is a small pond in the park. The adjective is small, noun is pond because it is describing the pond. A new storybook has arrived at the bookstore. So what is the adjective? Adjective is new. To what noun it is placed? It is placed for the storybook. The dress is bright and pretty. The noun is dress. Bright and pretty are the adjectives. Come to the next page. Fifth part. I saw a lovely dress at the shop. Here lovely is the adjective. Dress is the noun. The child was looking sad. Sad is adjective. Noun is child. Now we have to make the abstract nouns out of the adjectives. Children, to make abstract nouns, we have to change some spelling or we have to add something. See, kind, Munu is a kind boy. Kind is adjective and Munu is known for his kindness. Kindness becomes abstract noun. Abstract noun is a noun which can only be felt. It cannot be touched. Kindness हम feel कर सकते हैं, but we cannot touch it. Now, sometimes we add y to the adjectives to change it into the nouns like beautiful. Beautiful becomes beauty. Beautiful तो होता है, adjective है, but beautiful किस चीज़ के लिए होता है? अपनी beauty. इसका abstract noun बनता है beauty. If you want to go learn the abstract nouns, you can go for class 5 adjectives. I have already shared that video also. Arjun's dash won him praise from others. Abstract noun for brave becomes bravery. Dash is the best policy. Abstract noun for honest becomes honesty. People admire the dash of Taj Mahal. Beautiful का बनता है beauty. The children were full of dash on getting gifts. So, the abstract noun for happy is happiness. Children, if you want to learn about the abstract nouns, you need to go through the video of class 5 adjectives. Now the degree of adjectives. Again, this also I have already explained to you in my previous video before this chapter. So my father is dash than my mother, taller, because two people are there. Comparison between two. Yesterday was the dash day of the season. So, one out of the whole, that becomes the superlative degree, hottest. Amit is a dash boy, no comparison. So, positive degree, sweet boy. Tanu is dash then dash, clever. Taruna is cleverer. Tanu se clever Taruna ko compare kiya. So, comparative degree. Tia is the cleverest of all the three. So, now Tia in तीनों में compare हो रही है more than 2, then we'll write superlative degree. Suman is as lazy as Anil, so as लग गया, so we'll write the positive degree. Now come to the next page. Tools and professions. So tools are given, you have to tell the profession. So who uses X? Woodcutter, space shuttle, astronaut, drum, musician. Stethoscope is used by a doctor. Now food words: sweet, apple, sour, lime, salty, seawater, bitter, fenugreek. Now punctuation: R capital of Rohan is talking on the phone, full stop at the end. W capital of where, Vijay, V capital of Vijay, because this is proper noun, and question mark at the end because this is a question. So now we have your workbook, Joy in the Jungle. Circle the suitable article. Ashoka was a great emperor. Mithali wanted to visit an apple orchard. The Lotus Temple is in Delhi. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. They bought a dozen eggs from a shop. The elephants cross the jungle at night. Now fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives. River Nile is the longest river of the world. Long already given. The longest. A train moves faster than a car. Comparison between two. Midas was a greedy king. Only one is there. So only positive degree. Zubin is taller than Shilpa. Two are there. So comparative degree. Varanasi is one of the oldest cities of the world. Here you need to write The also. Kaziranga is a dense forest. No comparison. Now another. A dancer, an orangutan, the Indian Ocean, the stars, a book, and I. Children, to understand the articles, you need to visit the link again, the other link of articles for class 3. So make sentences sturdy. Sturdy means very hard. And my father brought a sturdy toy car for me. Sturdy means very hard, which cannot be broken. Delight means very happy. I jumped in delight to see my new bicycle. Trouble means problem. I have a trouble in wearing the mask. Mountains. The mountains in Manali are very high. Ditch, khadda. He could not catch the ball and it fell into a ditch. Now match the following synonyms. Synonym means same meaning. Start, begin, happy, glad, jump, leap, little, small, sob, cry, rock, stone. Circle the odd one in each group. Buffalo, horn, cow, bull. So buffalo, cow and bull, all are the animals. Horns are their seeing. Mango, pencil, eraser, sharpener. Pencil, eraser, sharpener, all stationary. Only mango is the fruit. Jasmine, lily, banana, orchid. Jasmine, lily, orchid. They are the flowers. Banana is only the fruit. Bottle, glass, spoon, shoes. Bottle, glass, spoon. These are used in the kitchen, and shoes are you wear. So I hope you've done this. So goodbye children. We'll meet with the next video with the next chapter.